Today we're playing Aircraft Development Part 3. And then, yo, this is pretty cool for this update. We've been all asking for this all these years. And then now this is pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie, this is so good for this update for PTFS. We could get so many players for PTFS. The animation, 767 model, and more. Yo, this is pretty cool. Like, I love this. Yo, if y'all love this, make sure to like and sub. We need to reach 50k or 10k, 5k, 2k, or 1k, or reach 50 subs. We need to reach 50 subs to get my first live stream. So everybody sub right now and like. And yo, I love this update. And also y'all love this. Like many libraries now, but are they gonna add the cargo? Let me know. Let me know in the comments. So as you can see right here, you will see the whole libraries. Now instead of just a few, now we have many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 16. We have 60 libraries now. It's way more. Many now. So guys, if you love this update, say W in the chat for Sammy, Sage, and James, who created this game and who made it. And this is pretty cool for PTFS, or the PTFS community. And this is pretty cool. Depends on the library. You have colored seats. Yo, this is pretty cool. Not bad. Actually, I'm not gonna lie. I love this. So that's all for the video. Bye. And before I go, make sure to like and sub. Bye.